Calculating speed. Speed is the rate at which an object moves. It shows how fast the object is moving. We calculate speed by taking the distance the object traveled and calculating it by the time it took to travel that distance. The formula for speed is speed equals distance over time. So we can calculate the speed of the dog by measuring the distance traveled and dividing by the time it took to go that distance. Let's say that the distance is 30 meters and the time was 2 seconds. 30 divided by 2 would give us 15 meters per second. But what is the speed of the snail if it moves 1 meter in 30 seconds? Again, we would take 1 meter divided by 30 seconds, and that gives us 0.03 meters per second. It's your turn to try now. The girl on the skateboard moves 10 meters in 5 seconds. So what is her speed? Go ahead and pause the video to work the problem out. 10 meters divided by 5 seconds would give you 2 meters per second.